Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will make the wanted level system workable. For now we are just making the wanted level active by manually, okay, by clicking it like this. Okay, we don't want that. We want that whenever we kill the AI character or the police officer, we want to active these wanted level according to the if conditions right here on the wanted level script. So before getting into that, in the previous video we have forgotten one thing, and that is we have added the animator to our AI characters which are in the hierarchy, as you can see, but we forgot to add the references of the animator inside our prefab. So if you open up the AI character prefab one by one, as you can see, the animator right here is missing, so we need to drag and drop the animator to the prefabs as well, like this. Okay, if we select the second one, drag and drop the animator like that. Now if we select the third one, drag and drop the animator, then the fourth one, the same for the fifth one as well, and that is it. So after adding the animators, now as you can see, our wanted level work on the current kills of the player. So if you check the player script right here, we have this current kills integer. So now whenever we kill the AI character, we want to increase these current kills, and as you know, when the current kills increase, this wanted level will be then activated stepwise. So let's start from the character navigator script. Right here we need a reference to our player script, so we will add a reference and then we want to attach the player script to this reference. So right here in the update function, we will say player equals to game object dot find object of type, and that type will be player script. That is it. Now we have added the player script to this reference. Now if we get down to the character die function, so now whenever the character dies, we will increase the player current kills. So we will say player dot current kills plus equals to 1. That is it. Now if we save this script, get back to Unity. Now if you click on player, as you can see, the player current kills is 0 and also the wanted levels are not true. And if we click on the I character, as you know, it needs the player reference right there, but we already assigned the player script reference automatically, so whenever we start the game, as you can see, the player reference will be added. Now if you click on player, as you can see, there is the current kills which is 0 and the level 1 is not active as well. So now if we pick up the handgun, okay, and now let's go ahead and shoot someone, for example this AI character. As you can see, when he dies, the current kills become 5 and this all things becomes equals to true. And where is the police officer? He is shooting us from there. As you can see, the police officer is shooting us, as you can see. Now if we try to shoot the police officer, and as you can see, when the police officer dies, he died. And you can see the wanted level 1 to 3 is active, and also the kill become equals to 5. We actually want a 1 kill increase whenever we kill one of the AI character. So in order to fix this issue, as you know that on each of the AI character we have this capsule collider, and whenever we hit this capsule collider, we damage the AI character. So whenever the AI character dies, we want to disable this capsule collider first, so that the kills don't increase twice and thrice the value. It will increase then just by 1. Okay, so whenever the moving speed of the character navigator script is becomes 0, it means that the character die. Right here we will simply disable the capsule collider of the AI character. So for that we will say game object dot get component. We want to get the capsule collider, so we will say capsule collider Then we will say dot enabled equals to false. That is it. Now if we save the script, get back to Unity, let's click on the player. As you can see, current kills and wanted level is set to nothing, as you can see. Now there is the police officer walking and there is the AI characters. Let's pick up that, and now let's try to shoot this AI character. As you can see, when he dies, now you can notice the player kills is now 1. It is increased by 1 and the wanted level 1 is being active. Okay, now for example, if you try to shoot this one, as you can see now 1 kill is increased whenever we kill one of the AI character, and not that error is not happening. Okay, which was the current kills were increasing one by one. Okay, double the value. Now it is increasing just by one. For example, if we kill this one, as you can see now the current kills is now 3. Now if we for example kill that one, now as you can see the current kills is 4. Now let's kill this police officer. Let me reload. Now let's try to kill him as well. Now as you can see the police officer dies as well. Okay, so now with this done, now we can damage the AI character, the police officer, and the police officer can now damage us as well. And now the wanted level works perfectly fine as well. Now in the upcoming videos we will add the other officers, the FBI officers and the CIA officers. So with this done, I will see you guys in the next one.